Your air conditioner is probably the single biggest driver of your electric bill in the summer. But here's the thing, you don't have to sweat it out or crank up the thermostat to save money. There are 5 simple things you can do right now that most homeowners completely overlook. Change your air filter. A dirty filter makes your system work harder than it needs to. Check it every month and replace it when it looks gray or clogged. It's a cheap fix that can make a real difference. Use your ceiling fans. Fans don't cool the air, but they make you feel cooler. That means you can set your thermostat a few degrees higher and not even notice. Just make sure your fan is spinning counterclockwise in the summer. Seal up your home. Check the weather stripping around your doors and windows. If the cool air is sneaking out, your AC is running overtime to compensate. Keep heat sources away from your thermostat. Lamps, TVs, and even direct sunlight near your thermostat trick it into thinking your home is warmer than it is, which means your system runs longer than it should. Finally, schedule a system tune-up. A well-maintained AC runs more efficiently, period. At Foster Plumbing and Heating, we service just about any brand, and if you need a new system, we install Train Systems, one of the most energy-efficient brands on the market. Small changes add up to real savings. If you want to make sure your system is running as efficiently as possible this summer, give us a call or schedule online at fosterpnh.com. Stay cool, Richmond.